There, little one. Come here. Climb into my lap and nestle in close. You look absolutely exhausted from your adventures today. Let's chase those worries away with a warm cup of tea and a comforting cuddle. See how the fire dances and flickers, casting a playful shadows on the walls. Imagine each flicker is a tiny kitsune gift, their bushy tails swishing back and forth, eager to hear a bedtime story. And listen to the gentle rain whispering a soothing lullaby outside. It's like 1,000 tiny paws patting softly on the roof. A lullaby song just for you. Tell mommy all about what ails your little heart. Was it a grumpy kappa blocking the bridge, demanding an impossible riddle? Or perhaps a mischievous tanuki playing tricks on unsuspecting travelers? Grumpy kappa, you say? Don't you fret, my little adventurer. Kitsune Mommies have a way of dealing with such troublesome creatures. Perhaps steaming a cup of my special foxfire tea will be just the thing to coax a smile out of that grumpy kappa. I believe I can already smell the faint scent of river water clinging to his grumpy shell. Don't you worry, sweetheart. I have a few illusions up my fluffy sleeves that will not only solve the riddle, but also leave the kappa feeling a little less grumpy and a lot more helpful. While mommy prepares our tea, why don't you close your beautiful eyes and imagine the rain washing away any lingering stress, leaving behind a feeling of peace and serenity. My fluffy tails are here to envelop you in warmth and security. Just like a cozy fox that nestled deep within the heart of the bamboo forest. as the fire keeps out the chill, my love will always be a shield against any darkness that might try to creep in. Here we go. Here we go. Steaming cup of flax fire tea just for you. Special brew is made with moonlit flowers and sunshine kiss lips. Gather under the watchful gaze of the full moon. It's perfect for chasing away worries and bringing a smile to your face. To your pretty face. Take a sip, little one. Let the warmth spread through you, chasing away any lingering chills. That hits the spot, just like the warmth of the tea fills your body. Let my love fill your heart with a sense of comfort and belonging. Are safe here, little one. Nestle in the embrace of your Kitsune Mommy.